What's up everybody and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna do a quick one showcasing the LasFit all-weather floor liners on this 2026 Ford F-150 crew cab. Now, if you own an F-150, take a look at the link down in the description. We even have a discount code for our viewers on any of these LasFit all-weather mats. These are super high quality, very nice durable rubber, and they are laser measured. That way they're going to fit perfectly, and they offer superior protection over the interior, and they cover a lot of what the OEM ones never cover. So let's go ahead and install these on this F-150 and just showcase how good they fit, and of course, how well you're gonna be able to keep your nice new truck in tip-top shape. So we got a 2026 F-150. This is the crew cab, a Tremor trim level, mid $70,000 truck. So this is a really nice one, even packing a V8, which I love to see. So this is for the rear. I do love really cool texture all throughout it. Just gives it more of that off-road trucky style. It's a very durable rubber too. So really nice quality. I'm loving the setup for this truck. And then the two front ones, you got the LasFit name and all these channels as well, which is gonna do a good job holding any water or mud kind of in it rather than going all over the carpets. And that is the biggest thing. You also got some nice texture on the bottom just to give it some more grip. That way it stays in place once installed. So as expected, these are super easy. Now this truck being brand new, we do have some plastic in here just to protect it in general. So we'll just slide these right on top. And as you can tell, fitting perfectly. It's gonna go nicely around this piece right here. And we have this cutout to match the bump in the carpeting, gripping really well. As you can tell, this is going to butt up against all the carpeting nicely and even cover some of this door sill. That way you're not getting stuff all in this crevice, which is one of the hardest things to clean. Now, one thing, given when you buy these, they're in a box, definitely let them sit out in the sun a little bit just to relax. So the back one might be a little bent, but in general, once they soften up a little bit, you know, they're gonna be fitting super, super good. But that fits really nice and it's gonna stay in place too, just because of the grip you have. So that looks really good. Now let's go ahead and move on to the rear seats. So trucks are really easy to move and I love just how much floor space you have. Now, this is kind of a work truck too. While it's an expensive premium family truck off-roader, you're gonna be using this for work, and look at all this carpet, that's just gonna get destroyed. Obviously you got a bed space, but it's nice to be able to use a crew cab truck like this for more than just family in the back. So with this one, we also have the grips all on the underside, and I like how this all opens up to where it shouldn't be too hard to slide this in. This is a pretty big mat, but we have a lot of space back here. So maybe we'll just fold it up, kind of like one of those mattresses, and then we'll figure out how to maybe unroll it or something. So again, it's a big space back here, therefore you're gonna have a big mat. So just a little bit of wiggle in it. There we go. And then let's walk to the other side real quick and see what this is gonna be. So once again, just unfolding these edges. And I like how this whole back is going up to all that stuff, butting up nicely to the plastic console and doing a really good job going all the way to the edge. So looks really good back here. I like the fit and finish to it. And then grabbing this, closing it down, you can get a really good idea of how well it does. It lines up nicely to the plastic liner. And yeah, that is gonna do a great job just protecting all this carpet, whether you have kids in the back making a mess or putting these up, maybe putting your dog here, or just in general, you know, using this for utility. You can pack a lot of stuff and you're gonna protect that interior really well. Looks like this kind of has a lip to it, so actually it looks like you're gonna kind of butt this up into the crevice. That way it's gonna be a nice tight seal. So there we go, you can see how nice and tight that seal is gonna get once you kind of manipulate it into place a little bit better. But that is looking really good for the back of this truck. And lastly, front seats now. This one's gonna have the little pins as well for safety. And on the back side, you can see them here and there. And you can then pop these off to lock these better into place. So once again, just sliding it in under all the pedals, and it all fits perfectly in here, covering the plastic over here and perfectly into place. And I like how it's covering the dead pedal and going way up all the edges. So the driver, who obviously is gonna be using this a lot more than anyone else, you're gonna keep all the dirt in the floor mat itself. And when it comes time to get it dirty, you simply unpop each side, fold up a little bit, and all that dirt is gonna be right here. Shake it out a little bit, go ahead and clean it up, and then slide it back in. And you never have to even think about the dirty carpet underneath because it'll stay clean. But there we go, LasFit liners in the 2026 Ford F150. No complaints, they look really sweet in here. They really fit the interior well, and they are going to keep your nice new truck in tip-top shape. So there you guys go, a quick installation video showing off the LasFit all-weather floor liners for the crew cab Ford F150. Take a look at the link down below to get you to LasFit's website. Use our coupon code as well to get a nice discount on these super good and high quality floor mats for your very own Ford truck. If you enjoyed the quick video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, stay tuned for plenty more content as well as the full review on this 2026 Ford F-150 Tremor. I'll see you guys in the next video.